Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. I want to give you a very quick demo on preparing your canvas to paint because they're such basic things but I get asked all the time. So I'm going to do this very quick video and show you. So those little wooden pegs that are attached to your canvas that lots of people say they had no idea what they were for. So I've taken the plastic off my canvas, taken those pegs out. This was the cardboard that was around. I saved the cardboard to cut up for swipes or putting my paint recipes on and keeping it aside. So that's still savable. Your little wooden pegs, I will show you what is done with these. So your little wooden pegs, you'll see there are some notches on the inside. So the lowest notch, you push your peg into that and then push your other one into that. So your pegs are there as little stretchers to stretch your canvas. So you pop those in. I always start off with the lowest first. You can just push them in with your fingers. It's probably tight enough until you push them as tight as you can. It stretches your canvas, so they're like little canvas stretch. If you have a problem, I've got a small little hammer that I keep in here so you can knock them in whichever way. So you pop those little pegs in your canvas at each of the four ends. Push them in as far as they'll go, not too far, you don't, just as long as they really stretch your canvas out. So that's all good. I then use masking tape to keep your bottom of your canvas nice and clean. So just run along right on the edge of your canvas and you just cut that off. So, and then you go all the way around your canvas with the masking tape. So this is masking tape is from your hardware store or the online store that I've got listed below sells this tape, and so it's really good. So when your painting's all finished and dry, it keeps your bottom clean, so you haven't got all paint and muckiness. If you really wanted to go all out, then you could put some paper over and masking tape the whole paper so none of it will get affected by the paint pour. So that's a nice, just easy, quick and simple way of keeping the bottom or the underside of your canvas clean. When you're stuff that up a bit, but when your finished painting is all dry and all over, this will just peel off nice and easy. If you wanted to run a very fine just little knife along the edge, if you know, not going into the canvas, but I have never found the need for that. The tape comes off nice and easy as long as you don't leave it on there for months and months. Now the other thing I use is these, they're called giant push pins, and I get them online. They come in a pack of 10, 12, 15, and I've just found them the most easiest thing to use, but I've had lots of people saying, oh, they push them in with their thumbs and it's really difficult. Well, you don't do that. I just find towards the one corner, where the thickest part of the thickest part of the timber is, just hold it, but you have to push it all the way down, so each one is going to be equal, so your canvas won't be. So there you go, 1, 2. If you've got a bigger canvas, like if I've got a real long canvas, I'll put several along it, so as it so all 4 of them are in, and there is your canvas up off the a puppy pea pad or whatever you're using underneath, and it's up, and I can tilt, and I don't have to worry that my push pins are going to come out. When I've finished when the painting's fully dry and I'm ready to take the masking tape off, I just get them and wiggle them side to side and then pull them out. So is wiggle them, I like to kind of hold it here, wiggle them, pull them out. So they're no big deal. They don't, you're not really taking any much strength to get them in or out. So that's just a very simple way. You push them, I'm just pushing those back in all the way down so they're all the same height. Easy peasy. And your canvas is nice and ready for you to tilt, not have to worry about anything. I just find them the easiest thing to use. So there you go, a very quick little demo on how to prepare your canvas ready for an acrylic pour or any kind of pour. So I hope the people that have asked me find that little video helpful. So okie doke, bye for now until tomorrow. See you then.